Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, we are back in Rome and back in the Jewish ghetto, which is one of our favorite places. Right now we're in the queue waiting to get into Pasticceria Boccione, which is a over 200-year-old pasticceria here in Rome. And one of our favorite pieces of pastry here is called Jewish pizza. It's so good. But the Jewish ghetto used to be the worst real estate in Rome. It was swampy, flooded, full of malaria. Not a nice place, but now it's one of the highest end areas in Rome, and the neighborhood here is just gorgeous. So take a look. Here we are right near the theater in the Jewish ghetto, and this looks like one of the really ancient walls here. They probably reinforced it and used it as part of the building here. Okay, we are in front of this amazing church, right around the corner from the restaurant that we're at. I will put in the details of what restaurant it was because it was quite good. This is Santa Maria in Portico, which is just on the other side, I think, of the Portico di Ottavia, which is the Octavian Gate. Look at this amazing building. This is just crazy.